Hello. Several folks have asked about the instructor background for Create Sell Bank. So this is a completely optional module, but it'll at least give you some background so you know from whence I came. Our teaching assistant, Anna Kutila, has her own story, and she can do one at a future time. Hers is way more interesting than mine. But really quickly, let's just go through. I'm Bill Zarletta. I'm a professional engineer. Most students call me Professor Bill. My email's czar@unm.edu, or as a lot of people say, szar@unm.edu. My phone's 505-362-1944. And you can look me up on LinkedIn, websites, createsellbank.com for this course. And for the folks that are the community edition, of course, we have Innovation Academy, csb.slack.com. I grew up professionally in Silicon Valley after studying mechanical engineering and product design at both University of Michigan and Stanford. Those are my first two degrees. And I got an applied math and computer science degree while I was teaching at University of Georgia. And the focus was on data-driven machine learning. I've worked at several Fortune 500 corporations early in my career. It seems like I've gone progressively smaller, but started off at Harris, designing space deployable antennas. Then I went to Silicon Valley at Hewlett-Packard doing fiber optics product design. I have experience working at 5 early stage startups. 3 of them were acquired, and 2 of them are still going, and you can see them here. Probably the biggest one is Sun Microsystems and Sun Microsystems Federal. I was the 9th employee of Sun Federal that spun out of Sun, and that was fun. I've been at UNM over 16 years, and I started as Director of Advancement Services, and my department did reporting and gift processing for over $250 million in private donations to UNM. I also directed initiatives to develop a data-driven informatics center to support the foundation's development officers. We did an award-winning web-based events calendar that for a while there, it was a couple, 3-4 years, was on the university's website as well, and developed UNM's first online giving platform in 2004. Now, that experience, that last one, developing that online giving platform, was where I really got interested in e-commerce, and I had to learn a bunch and apply engineering principles and computer science principles, and that's what you're going to get in this course in large part. I've been teaching mostly undergraduate and graduate engineering courses starting in 1994 at Iowa State, then the University of Georgia, Purdue, and finally University of New Mexico. I've gotten a couple of teaching awards along the way at Purdue and Iowa State. And then in 2017, I was asked to put together a course on invention and innovation. And I started thinking about it, and I worked with the folks at STC and the folks at the Innovation Academy, and together we developed Create Sell Bank, the course. Until 2012, I reported to UNM's Chief Information Officer, working in the advanced and emerging technology and learning environments areas, including classroom technology. We renovated over 100 classrooms at UNM, did classroom buildings, and connected sports venues. A few of the dozen or so building projects that I worked on are shown below, and you might have had classes in them. Currently, I'm Chief Innovation Officer at Project Echo, where when I joined in 2012, we were in 2 countries. We just added India, and we had a handful of partners, and now we have 340 partner organizations in 38 countries. And a little bit more on that. And sometimes I do public speaking, that's me, at the International Meta Echo Conference. And we talked about data-driven stuff. Well, here's a data-driven map. It shows in January 2016, we had 67 partners in 12 countries, and we had just added 3 in the United States, and those are the red dots. But what I've been working on is how do we do this in a fashion that shows an animation over time. Now, this is what you're going to be developing for your 90-second pitch. Well, that was good. I missed the little click, but always hit the play button. And so we'll see.
Visualizing the growth of the echo movement in just over 1 minute.
Echo started in 2003. We added our first partner in 2007.
Thanks for watching, visualizing the growth of the echo movement in just over 1 minute.
Okay, well, anyways, the point being, you can put music on PowerPoint slides, and you can use Zoom to record those. We're going to learn that. Stick that in the back of your head for the pitch competition. Now, I've been awarded 15 US patents. I've got more patent applications in the works. We've got multiple international patents. As I said before, I'm a registered professional engineer, and people have said that I'm a pretty decent problem solver. I have a consulting business that I've had since the late 70s, and it's called Adaptive Chaos Consulting, and I sit on some boards of directors. I've been on the New Mexico Health Information Collaborative board of directors, which manages the New Mexico Health Information Exchange. And I've also been on the New Mexico Telehealth Alliance board of directors. I've taught Create Sell Bank 6 previous times and had over a dozen students make it as finalists to the Rainforest Student Pitch Competition. I also teach a follow-on course to Create Sell Bank 1, which is creatively called Create Sell Bank 2. I also teach a data-driven app course called CSB App. Just to repeat, there's my name, that's my email, and that's my phone. That's how you can get in touch with me. UNM students, you can get in touch with me through UNM Learn. The community students, you can get to me through either those, or you can get to me through Slack. Thanks a lot.